Hey guys, it's Michaela, and today I'm going to walk you through how to email Snapchat about streaks. It's pretty quick and simple, so let's jump in. There's two ways to do it if you're trying to get in contact because your streaks have disappeared for some reason and you're trying to get them back, or whatever the case. The first way you can get in contact with Snapchat is to email them directly. If I get out of Snapchat right now and go to my email, you can email support@snapchat.com. And basically, you can say something along the lines, if you're trying to get your streaks back, that you were trying, there was a glitch, you couldn't get that snap through, you kept trying to send it, but it wouldn't work, so it wasn't your fault, and you need help, restoring that streak. So you can do that here, but their other option is going through the app itself, which is a quicker way to get in contact with them, and it goes directly to the right people. So if I go back to Snapchat and I go to my home page, then to the settings button at the top right hand corner, and then I go down to I need help. So you hit I need help, and then the support page comes up, and you're going to hit contact us. And then from here, it's going to say the third one down is my Snapchat streaks disappeared. And then you're going to keep going down. And you're just going to fill out your information here, your username, your mobile, your device, all of the information about the Snap streak and the person it revolves around. And then all you have to do is in the information box, if you're trying to get your Snap streak back, right, that you kept trying, but it wouldn't go through and it wasn't your fault. Or you can write whatever other issue that you had in here, and you can send it off, and it will be directly sent to the people who work with the Snap streaks and are in charge of that. So you're going to get a response much quicker than just emailing the general support. If you guys have any questions on that, let us know in the comments below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.